Be sure to watch until the end to see the 14-day growing results. I truly believe this stuff is magic. Rich, dark, organic compost. In the majority of the pots, I will be adding soil hume, hydrotain, and some fertilizer. These get nothing, these hydrotain, and the rest get everything. Now you can see we're getting the afternoon sun on the pots, so this is why I selected this location for the pots. We watered the pots 2 to 3 times a day. This was a great project to allow the kids to jump in and help. I want to interrupt the video real quick to give you an update on Pesty because I'm super excited about it. Just received my second application in the mail and it's just in time. I haven't seen any activity inside, so I'm just going to fortify the barrier. And just last week, I saw 1 or 2 spiders. So the stuff is working. I remembered from the introductory pack that I was supposed to hold on to the wand, but they will send a new bag and the proper chemical. Perfect, convenient. Pesty is kid and pet friendly. Also remember that with Pesty, what you're doing is cutting out the middleman. And that's gonna drastically reduce the cost of what you're paying for pest control. "5 days and we have germination." This stuff is amazing. 5-day germination time. Snapback RR Fescue blend from United Seed. It's some good stuff, guys. The pot that shows the most germination is the pot that I didn't put anything extra in. They're coming up like crazy. Followed by the hydrotain only pot that's showing some good germination in that as well. Oddly enough, the pots that have everything are not seeing as much germination, a little bit. Are you surprised by the results? Because I have to say that I really am surprised. All planted, and let's see how well this comes in. Remember, this is rhizomatous tall fescue, which means it's going to spread. That is why I left some space in between the plugs when I planted them. I'll be taking this batch over to my brother's for some spot repair. I really enjoyed this process of growing the grass in the pots, and so far this year I've done 3 batches, but I am gonna pause right now for the summer. It's just way too hot, and I'm gonna pick back up at the end of August to start pots to help repair any work that I may do in the fall. If you've applied pre-emergent to your lawn and you want to do some spot repair, you can use the plugs. If you have some weeds that you want to use the Pro Plugger and pull those up and replace them with the plugs. And ultimately, it's just a fun process. And like I said earlier, I really enjoy doing it because my kids love participating. And that's plenty enough reason for me to continue to do it.